I saw this post sa Blue App and it's very, very disgusting. Like yuck. Grabe, I don't know what's happening sa Pilipinas right now. Why is it that we are trying to normalize? Are we trying to make drug addicts as a hero? Or as a saint? What's happening? Could someone explain? Paki-comment. Anyways, di ba, may sense ang post na to. And instead of informing the public, informing the kabataan, the Pilipino, anong negative effect ng addiction, pagkalulong sa droga, how it's gonna be impact sa ating society. Parang normalize nyo pa. I don't know. I have no idea anong goal ng parang to, ng congressman na to, or groups that are fighting for addicts. I don't know. I don't know. I'm so confused right now kung ano yung pinaglalaban nila. Are we trying to make those EJK victims ko, no, or mga addict as a saint or as a heroes? So how about those men in uniform who fought for our rights, for the peace of our country, mga nabuwis ng buhay para sa ating bansa, the South 44, the soldiers, Marawi Siege, or etc. Or that museum or that project could have been useful, promoting all the tourist attractions here in the Philippines, gawa nyo ng museum, or promoting OPM artists. Yan talaga yung gusto kong isulong eh. Sana yan na lang. It's our pride as a Filipino, yung mga OPM artists natin. Bakit para sa mga taong to, pride na ba ang maging addict ngayon? Pride as a Filipino? It's so strange. Can someone explain? Paki-comment na lang kasi up until today, I really don't understand kung saan sila kumukugot dito. Pilipinas, what's going on? What's happening?